Before delving too deeply into online storytelling, it's important to understand how to use these new forms of news delivery. Now, print is great to explain what your story is about. You can use multimedia, photos, audio, video, and graphics to show. Whether it's a map of road closures or photos of a prize-winning pig, they can show your readers things not as easily conveyed through text. And finally, interactive features can demonstrate and engage your audience. Your first option for online storytelling is multimedia. Now, this can include audio and video on a news event, webcams and webcasts, podcasts, and animated graphics. Next are interactive elements. These might take the form of live chats, of reader comments and feedback, online polls and quizzes, keeping in mind that the results won't be scientific, and downloads of additional resources. And you can also provide links for even more resources. Now, this can be your own archive of everything your news outlet has ever written about a certain person, or websites that can give the reader more biographical or historical data, editorials and columns, such as two opposing viewpoints on a proposed change to a school policy, or any number of additional story elements, like recipes for healthy snacks, or forms that you can fill out to update your voter registration record. Great online packages don't happen overnight, so it's important to plan and collaborate to come up with the best possible product. Start with the online package planning guide in your textbook. It's a lot like the one we went over a few chapters ago for the ant story, but with more elements, it becomes a little more complex. Assemble a team and ask them what the story is really about. Summarize it in 25 words or less. This will help you focus your package. Then think like a reader. How would you want this information presented? How will you answer the questions that your readers will ask? Get organized. Your online package will have a lot of moving parts, and you want to make sure everyone understands their role and their deadline. And finally, distribute copies of the online package planning guide to everyone on your team so they can keep track of their progress and that nothing falls through the cracks. We talked a lot about multimedia and interactive elements this lecture, but remember the basic to any story is still the text. You will likely need to rewrite the print version of your story to make it more user-friendly for an online audience. First, chunk your information. Now, a chunk is the 100 words or so that fill up your computer screen. Luckily, journalists already tend to write in shorter paragraphs, so this won't be quite as difficult. You'll want to tweak your type to make it easier for a reader to scan. Use subheads, bullets, lists, and boldface to make it easier for them to read on a computer screen. You'll need to rethink what a story is. Keep using print to explain, but add multimedia elements to show and interactive elements to demonstrate and engage with your audience. Most importantly, try to avoid shovelware, text lifted directly from a print publication, essentially shoveled onto a website without adaptation or enhancement. As Harrer says in the textbook, the web is smart. Shoveling stories online is dumb.